Hello and welcome to Is It a Good Idea to Microwave This? I'm your host, Jerry Carey, and today we are going to be microwaving Miley Cyrus.
What?
No, I'm just kidding. Oh, okay. No, not Miley Cyrus, that's next week. We're going to be microwaving this, corn on a cob. And we'll see what happens if we microwave it. We'll see if it turns into popcorn or just explodes into blistering fury.
We're going to be microwaving this with our high-tech new microwave. Doo-doo. Say hi, Doo-doo.
Sup?
Well, there's instructions, but, you know, who gives really anything about those? How long should we put it in there? 2 minutes? See what happens.
Pop like you never popped. Pop like you never popped before. Smell it. Smell the aroma. Okay, remaining this delicious. I'll give it a 5 stars. So, tell me, is it a good idea to microwave this? Yes. Is it a good idea to microwave this? A question frequently asked all across America. Is it a good idea to microwave my dog? Is it a good idea to microwave my cat? Is it a good idea to microwave myself? No. It is not a good idea to microwave anything. Microwaving everything is bad. Bad indeed. Especially microwaving corn.
Is it a good idea to microwave this?